Hi everyone, it's Ryan with Sacramento Appraiser Blog.com, and today I wanted to show you the difference between a condo and a townhome and how you can specifically tell in MLS by looking at the plat map. So here's a common scenario. We see a property listed on Bridlewood Drive in Rancho Cordova. Property description, nice condo in Rancho Cordova. Well, let's click the APN. And let's see if this is actually a condo or not, because what I'm finding is a lot of times agents say, well, it's a condo, but then you do a little more research and it's not. Okay, so here we see there's a lot size listed, but just because there's a lot size listed, you'll see in a minute, that doesn't necessarily mean that it is a condo. Land use, we see it's a PUD. Okay, so let's do a little bit more research. Launch Realist, click that. And once Realist launches, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the assessor map and then go ahead and view that. And that will tell us what we need to see. Assessor map, click on this link. Let me zoom in to where this property is located. It's right here. Now, there's a dead giveaway that this is actually a townhome and not a condo as it says in MLS. And how do I know? Because the parcel outline has dimensions 24 by 70 feet. 24 by 70, you can see 34 by 70. All these right here are townhomes because on a condo, the property owner doesn't actually own the land beneath them. And so on a plat map that's a condo, you'll never see those lot dimensions. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's go ahead and close that out and we'll type in another search for a different property. How about one on Bonita Drive in Rancho Cordova? We'll click here. And now here's the interesting thing that can sometimes be confusing. Okay, MLS lists this as a condo. You scroll down, okay, there's a lot size listed here, so well, what is it? The land use says condominium right here. Well, let's click on the assessor map and see what this is. It kind of looks like a condo, kind of looks like maybe something else. All right, now I'm seeing a dead giveaway on this plat map for this is a condo. Why? Because there are on each parcel there are 4 units. Okay, you can see on this one, for example, 60 square feet by about 140 feet. That is the dimensions of the parcel. Then on each parcel you see these lines, and each line 1, 2, 3, 4 represents a unit. Because the condo units don't actually own the land immediately beneath them, rather the whole parcel belongs to the condominium subdivision or HOA. That's why there's no lot dimensions. So if there's no lot dimensions for each individual unit, well, there's a condo. Let me show you a different example. These are condos on Larkspur Lane in Sacramento. You can see very big parcels right here. Okay, 629 feet on the bottom, so it's huge. Within each parcel, there's like this one has about 100 units. All right, and so because you see those lines, those are condominiums because all the lines represent, hey, there's a property within this giant parcel that's owned by the condominium subdivision, by the HOA, and you're not seeing individual lot sizes for all these different units, or lot dimensions is what I mean. So anyway, I hope that was helpful, and that it comes in handy as you list properties, as you look at properties, to kind of decipher what they are. The ultimate guide will be what the preliminary title report says. Okay, but this is kind of an insider trick, and I found it to be extremely useful. So hey, hope that helps. Take care.